drinking plenty of fluids and so forth, so I'm not getting dehydrated. And taking supplements. The supplements help quite a bit, especially with the skin healing after the sunburn. And I don't think that that's stressful, but from my understanding, when I read a little bit more about it, when you're getting those sunburns, that is stress to the body. So I have to find ways to relax that body and so forth. And, just all of that, just taking care of self care, taking care of myself and making sure that I'm addressing my needs. So I'm sharing all that with you guys because I'm hoping that they will click something for someone else to be like, maybe I should try this or that for myself. But definitely journaling, noting it all, and keeping up with whatever goals and things that you need to do for yourself really helps a lot. And that's just what I've been doing, is keeping up with all that I need to do. So I got the steps in today, and the day, even though it was hot, and it was supposed to be, I think, 4 to 5 degrees hotter than it was a couple of days in a row, but I didn't feel it. So I'm grateful for that. I did not feel the extreme heat today. That little breeze, I don't know if you could tell and see that. Here, let me see if I can show you. As you can see, um, the leaves blowing. That's the breeze that we've had all day. So that helped. And I really didn't feel any extreme heat. And I was going to go live earlier today, but I had music playing and I was exercising with music. And then I had some of the other self care type techniques playing. And I didn't want to go through the copyright issue. Um, some stuff, when I get a copyright strike, they tell me that it's okay, that I can use the content or the music or whatever that it is. But when you have those strikes, you're not eligible to make any money or anything like that. So I'm trying to limit that because one day I would like to get enough followers and be able to make this channel uh, financially able to receive in different ways, because I want to purchase some upgrades for the type of things that I'm using for this channel. So when I get, I think, to like 500 followers, then I'm going to kind of change things up a little bit. I probably should do it now, because people that follow you, they follow you for the way that you put up your content. But I wanted to really get into deep discussions, and I have different types of followers at this point. I think I have like 78, 79. So definitely I welcome the new followers. And I've been trying out different methods of manifesting, and it's been working. I think the biggest issue that I have with manifesting is my desires, like desiring something. You have to desire, you have to want, and focus and see yourself with certain things. And I am so at peace and so grateful for being at peace that I'm just trying to stay in peace. So now I'm practicing visualizing myself with the peace in certain environments and places peacefully, and getting things done and so forth. So I'm really enjoying all of this. I like I said, I love the outdoors, but I also like having my space and my place and owning my own stuff. Being financially able to get things done and go and do the things I like to do in life. So all of that is going to be new for me, and understanding, okay, I need to take a break, and dealing with whatever body limitations that I may have, physical, whatever. Even mentally, you get exhausted. And making sure I keep notes of all this so I'm not waiting to the last minute, um, to address certain issues. So I hope that all of this is making sense. I hope that you guys really are understanding what it is that I'm trying to say and what it is that I'm trying to do over here, um, and sharing my life, like how I'm